Hey guys, today I am excited because we're going to be trying out the Colourpop Lost in Love collection, which I'm so excited to use. They kindly sent this over to me. I think I got it last week, so yeah, we're trying it today. So we have the eyeshadow palette, we also have the ultra glossy lips, we have 3 of the lip and cheek balms, we also have 3 of the Jelly Much shadows. Then we have a Glitterly Obsessed body glitter gel, and we also have the little heart blending sponge. So I'm so excited. Let's just get into it. I'm going to start by priming my eyes. Okay, I'm almost nearing the end of this. I said I thought that I had like 2 more uses in it, but I feel like we're gonna, like, there's still heaps in there. I'm just so confused. Like, I've had this for so long. And in case you didn't know, it's the P. Louise base in Rimmer 01. I put way too much on that eye. Oh my god. Look ridiculous. That's hilarious. How embarrassing. That's fine. Oh my god. Oh well, whatever. Let's just... let's have a look at this palette. It is so cute. I love the packaging. When we open the palette, it looks like this. It's absolutely beautiful. Have some really... Oh my god. Hang on a second. Oh no, on camera, like, the hearts are like doing something weird, where they're like moving. I don't do that in real life. Weird. Anyway, so yeah, we're just kind of going to wing it today. I do want to obviously use one of the Jelly Much shadows, so yeah, we're just going to get into it. It'd be so much easier to do my makeup if I had clean makeup brushes, but I am awful. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna take... Why did I just sing that? It's really embarrassing. I feel like, you know, I've been watching, like, on TikTok lately, you know, those videos that come up and they're like, what, like, pop culture moment, like, do you still think about? And I feel like that could really be a pop culture moment where I just start singing, like... Anyway, first shade I'm gonna take is called... I'm here talking as if I'm ever going to be like famous enough to be on like a pop cultural moment, but whatever. Alright, first shade I'm going to take is called Dibs, and it's like this really light pinky shade. This one here. Very cute, very special. Let's do it. I'm just kind of being like quite messy with this shadow, I guess, just kind of running it anywhere. But this is going to be like our transition shade. I feel like I've put on way too much of the base. I say that as like half my face is covered with it. Yeah, I definitely put on way too much of the base. Like, anyway. So yeah, I'm putting that like near the brow bone. I'm very excited for this look. I feel like it's gonna be real nice. I feel like even like a bit of like a red winged liner today could be real cute. I have to see if I've actually got a red eyeliner. I reckon I would. So I've got that Dib shade down. Now I'm just going to go into the shade called Just Us, and it's like a little bit darker. It's this one here. And I'm going to put that like, I'm going to blend that, like blend it out, but put it like below this shade, if that makes sense. Gonna create that gradient, you know. I want the eye look to be like very pink so that we can use a red eyeliner, so that we really get that what do you call it, like contrast. So yeah, building up that pink. Cute. I really am so excited to get into these Jelly Much shadows. They are so pretty. I love Jelly Much shadows so much. They're one of my favorite things that Colourpop, like one of my favorite products that Colourpop makes. They just dry out so quick, but in saying that, I am like notoriously terrible for like using up makeup and stuff, so I will leave things sitting in my drawers for like 6 months. But yeah. Okay, I'm going back into that Dibs shade and using that to just blend this out and like diffuse that pink. The glitters in this palette are absolutely stunning, so I really want to incorporate some of them in today's look as well. I feel like I have the perfect way to do it. So we will get to that soon. Cute. Alright. I think I'm literally, after this video, gonna go into the bathroom and actually wash some brushes. Even if I just wash like 10 or whatever, at least when I've got some, because I'm getting over it. I've got a new bra on today, and like it's like real like kind of hard around the sides here, and it's like digging into my armpit. It's really frustrating, which sucks because it's a very nice bra and like it's very supportive, and I'm just hoping that, because it, like, you know, I haven't worn it before, like once I break it in it won't hurt as bad, but it's just very stiff at the moment, and god, it's aching. Like, just really want to take it off. Also, it doesn't help that I've got like flab in places that I didn't used to have flab, but what are you gonna do? Alright, I'm gonna take the deeper shade of the palette, and it's called Truly Yours, and we're putting that in the outer corner. The reds and like, there's like a red and like an orange in this palette, which I think is so beautiful as well, and I would love to play with them at some stage. I just feel like for today's look, I really didn't want any like red. I'm going for like a very kind of like girly, flirty kind of Valentine's, you know. I do wish that there was just a slightly deeper shade, like, because the shade that I'm using now is like the deepest in my palette. I understand why there's not though, because I feel like it is like a very like flirty, like, I don't know, there's just like a nice like kind of a lightness to this palette. So I understand that they don't have anything super deep in here. I feel like this is like quite a like Galentine's palette, not like a sexy palette. Like, I feel like this is a pretty palette. Does that make sense? I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but like the vibe in my head of like, this is like a Galentine's, not a like sexy dinner Valentine's. Does that make sense? Yeah? No? I don't know. I feel like the look just doesn't have like a whole lot of variation at the moment, so I feel like that's why I'm kind of like me. But anyway, it's fine. Alright, I'm just gonna try and build up that outer corner colour just a little bit more, and then giving that a bit of a blend. Cute. Alright, let's have a look at these Jelly Much. So the first one we have is called Moon and Stars, and this is stunning. I'm gonna actually, let's do some swatches, shall we? I feel like we don't really do swatches that much. So this is called Moon and Stars, and this one is stunning. It's like a super like kind of neon flirty orange. It's really, really nice. Super sweet. So that is Moon and Stars. So reflective, like absolutely so cute. Love it. That is not the vibe for today, so I will not be using that one today. I don't know if I should just chuck these in my collection or put them in to like try them out in another video, do you know what I mean? Next we have Forever Valentine, and this one is like beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to use this one or the other one yet. This one is like a super light, flirty, girly pink. Absolutely beautiful. How pretty is that? See, like, I just love these so much. Like, I just think these are one of the best inventions in the whole world. Like, oh, obsessed. I forget how much I love Jelly Much shadows because a lot of mine are dried up. Like, I have a few. I decluttered some start of this year, end of last year. I can't remember what it was. But I have some, but they're like dried up, or like a little bit dried up. So then we have All Love, and this one is like, normally I'm not a pink girly. I feel like you guys know that pink is not really my colour, but this has to be one of the prettiest shades that I've ever seen. So, I just think these shades are all just so beautiful. I'm actually obsessed. Should we do this one? I feel like let's just do this one. Let's do this one today. So this one is called All Love, and I'm kind of going to use it the same way that I would like cut my crease. Oh, stunning. They're so pretty. I just love these. They can really like transform like any look, you know. I don't know why, but it's not really going how I thought it would. like it doesn't look as nice on the eye as I thought it would. I don't know why. Like normally these look a lot nicer. It's always so hard to know like how much of it to put on your actual eyelid. I feel like it almost looks nicer over here because like there's not all that pink underneath. So like the actual pink of the Jelly Munch shadow comes out, if that makes sense. That's how it looks. It is pretty, like it is really, really pretty. I don't know, I just feel like it looks a lot nicer on the hand. But, I mean, the look's not done yet, so let's not lose hope yet. I love these Glitterly Obsessed, but it just sucks that you can't use them on the eye. So this one's called Sparks. And honestly, normally I would. They're literally called Body Glitter Gel. Normally I would honestly just use it on the eye, but I had like a bit of... My mum's calling me, wait there. Okay, I cannot remember what I was up to, but what I do need to do is go back into this palette and take that deep shade that we used, the Yours Truly, and blend into the Jelly Munch shadow, which hopefully it's not too... No, it's all good. Okay, I was worried it was gonna like not work because I'd just been on the phone for like 5 minutes, but we're fine. Okay, I feel like now that it's blended it looks a bit better too. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these beautiful like glittery shimmery shades. I'm gonna take this one. I think it's called Totally Smitten. How stunning is that? And I'm gonna put that in between like the Jelly Munch and the matte shade. It's very subtle, like you can only kind of tell like real close up, but I just feel like it adds a little something. Oh, so stunning. Alright, I'm also going to take the shade called Better With You, which is like a bit of like this deeper. It's got like a bit more like colour to it. Shimmer. Or glitter, I should say. I'm going to put that one on too, just for a bit of like variation, you know. These shades are actually so pretty. Oh, I just love them. Ah, so cute! Alright, I am going to... I'm a bit scared because I have this Colourpop liner. It's this red one. It's called Try Me. But yeah, I want to use that and do a wing with that. Anyway, I'm going to go do my base, then I'll come back and we can try out the cheek and lip balms. We'll also try out this little heart sponge. So this is the colour it is now. I'm going to wet it before I come back on camera and it's meant to turn like pink. So that's cute and exciting. And then, yeah, I'm going to try out the cheek and lip balms and the lip glosses. So I'll be back and we'll try that out. Okay, so I have done like my base. I have only set my concealer and then I've left the rest of the face like unset so we can try out these balms. So we have the lip and cheek balms. I'm only going to let myself keep one because I feel like I don't need 3. So the first one we have is called Cootsy Wootsy, or Cutesy Wootsy, sorry, like, you know. And that is this one here, which I feel like is probably not my jam. I don't know, like it's real pretty, but I don't know. So we've got that one. Then we have Heart's Content, which mind you, these are so cute. Oh my god, as if I can't get it open. This one's quite pretty. So that's called Heart's Content. Like I feel like that's actually quite a nice shade. And then the last one we have is called Adore You. And I love this one, but I just don't know if it would be too dark for me. Actually, no, you know what? I think this is the shade I'm going to go for. Adore You. Like it might be a little bit dark, but who cares? So I'm going to put the other 2 in giveaways. So yeah, let's try out this cream lip and cheek and lip balm. No, lip and cheek balm. Yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, just gonna take up my sponge now. I was gonna use the heart sponge, but I don't really like it, so I will talk about my thoughts on that in a sec. But first, let's just get this blush going. Oh my god. Whoops. Like this side didn't really have much. I was like, oh yeah, like she'll be right. And then oops, anyway, just keep blending, keep living the dream. Have I mucked up? I might have mucked up. This happens all the time. I swear, like, I have real bad luck with my blush. It is such a pretty shade though. And normally, like, if this happened to me like a year ago, I would be freaking out. But I don't know why, but I'm kind of living. Like, I kind of like the heaps of blush look. I don't know. Like, am I crazy or does it look kind of cute? I feel like it looks like just a nice, like, flush of colour. Am I crazy? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go off camera, finish the rest of my base, like do bronzer and stuff. Then we're going to come back and we're going to try this out on the lips. And we're also going to try out the Ultra Glossy lips. See? Be back in a second. Okay, so I'm going to show the Ultra Glossy lips now. So the first one we have is called Taken, and mind you, the packaging on them is just so cute. But anyway, this one here is called Taken. Now I already know this is probably not my shade, so I am going to put this on in a giveaway. And also, I don't love Ultra Glossy lips. Like, I'm not really a huge gloss girl. Like, I like gloss, but I don't like sticky gloss. So this one here is called Lover Era, and this one's probably more my shade because it's a bit deeper. And then the last one that we have is called One Kiss, and this one is also probably a bit more my shade. So first things first, let's put this like lip and cheek balm on, and then we'll put something over the top. I'm a bit scared. Does it say how to apply it? No. I guess you just dip your little fingies in there then and pop it on. Let's try. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually quite pretty. Like, I quite like it. I didn't think I would, but something's going on today. Something is in the air because I'm kind of liking this. So the first, I honestly think today, let's go in with One Kiss, because I feel like the eyes are there's a lot of blush, so let's like keep the lips a little bit more low-key. You know what I mean? Okay. Let's put this on. Let's give it a go. It's super glossy. It is a very nice shade. It's definitely a super glossy lip, like they've said, or ultra glossy lip or whatever. But anyway, this is the finished look. I'm really not vibing my hair. Like, I feel like it looked nice when it was up, and I'm just so sweaty that, like, I just feel gross. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it looks better like when my hair is up out of my face. I feel like I need to go and fix it. I feel like that's a little bit better. Like, it's not the perfect hairstyle, but anyway, this is the finished look. I actually think it's so cute. I love the eyeshadow palette. Absolutely stunning. Love the Jelly Much Shadow. I knew I would. I did not like this. It's cute. It's very cute, but I don't love it for foundation and stuff. I just think it's not practical, you know. You can't really get under the eyes. Like, I feel like I just prefer my normal beauty blender. I did test it under the water, and it does turn pink when you use like hot water. I was running it under like normal water for ages, like cold water. I was like, then I put some hot water on it, and yeah, it changed colour, but it didn't last for that long. It lasted maybe like, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. So yeah, I think it's cute. I think it's a little bit of a gimmick, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna use it again, I don't think, as like an actual proper sponge. It is cute, but yeah, it's not necessary. I was actually so pleasantly surprised with this. Like, I feel like this blush looks so pretty. I'm honestly thinking about maybe keeping the other ones just because of how much I liked the formula of this one. Like, I just feel like it looked so nice. So actually very pleasantly surprised. That's probably like one of my favorite things of the collection. As for the ultra glossy lip, I don't love ultra glossy lips in the sense of like the formula, just because I don't really like that sticky lip feel, but it is a very pretty colour. I don't know if I should bother keeping this one. The hard thing is, like, once you try it on, then I can't give it to anyone else, so it's just hard. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got this collection, let me know what you think down below. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!